Hello, hi Andy. This is your Parishram. Welcome to Avidya's E-Academy. Now, in this class, let us discuss about one of the most important questions for IT, that is the respiratory system of cockroach. Previously, or in previous classes, we have discussed about the digestive system of cockroach and the circulatory system of cockroach. But now in this class, let us discuss about what the respiratory system of cockroach. Yes, you know very well about it, especially in the insects such as the cockroach. There is no respiratory pigment. Due to lack of respiratory pigment, the blood is colorless. That's why which cannot carry oxygen to body tissues. That's why it have developed a specific respiratory system that is called tracheal system. That's why the tracheal system which carry oxygen directly to the body tissues. Now let us discuss about what are the importance of the respiratory system. Yes, now come to the point. Just now, what I told here, the respiratory system of cockroach is a different from other organism. Why? Because already I told. So now, see, there come to the point. The first of all here, there is no respiratory pigment. Respiratory pigment is what? No, mean absent. Due to lack of respiratory pigment, the blood of cockroach is colorless. Yes, that's why there is no respiratory pigment. That's why the blood of cockroach is colorless. It's been some people are calling like this blood is white blood. Then that's why there are no respiratory pigment. That's why the blood of the cockroach is colorless. That's why which cannot carry oxygen to tissues. So the insects are developed a special respiratory system, that is the tracheal system. Yes. The tracheal system is well developed in insects such as the cockroach is the best example. Yes, now let us discuss about it what the respiratory system of cockroach is includes spiracles or stigmata. The next one is trachea. The next one is tracheoles. What I'm saying here, the respiratory system of cockroach includes mainly what? First one is the spiracle. Spiracle also otherwise called stigmata. Then the next one is trachea. Next, the third one is tracheole. Actually, these are the part of the respiratory system in cockroach. Now, let us discuss about what are the spiracle, what are the importance of spiracles in cockroaches, and how they can help to respiration. If there are no spiracles, then what will happen? As well as the trachea and tracheoles, whatever it, we have to discuss about the spiracles to the tracheoles. Now, let us discuss about what spiracle or stigmata. What about the spiracles and stigmata? Usually, the spiracles or stigmata are located in where, let's say, the floral like this of the body, mean lateral sides of the body. That is the location of spiracles. Now, the next one is in which 10 pairs of spiracles are present. Out of 10, 2 pairs of spiracles are present in thorax region and remaining 8 pairs of spiracles are present in abdomen region. Got it? What I am saying here? Now let us discuss about the spiracles. The spiracles also there is called stigmata. The stigmata are mainly 10 pairs of spiracles or stigmata present in cockroach. The location of the spiracles are lateral wall of the body or the floral wall of the body. Then in which out of 10, 2 pairs are present in thoracic region and remaining 8 pairs are present in first abdominal segments. This is about what the spiracles. Now, based on the nature and number of spiracles, the respiratory system of cockroach is classified. For example, the respiratory system of cockroach is what? Polynucleatic. Polynucleatic and holonucleatic. What I am saying, the most important point here. Yes, now come to the point once again, like this. Based on the number and nature of spiracles, the respiratory system of cockroach is classified. That's why the respiratory system of cockroaches is polynucleatic and holonucleatic. Yes, what is the meaning of the polynucleatic? You know very well the meaning of poly. Poly means more than three. Spiracles if present in the organism that is considered as a polynucleatic respiratory system. But in which more than three spiracles are present in this body. Yes, also what? Spiracles, 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 spiracles. But already I told, I given here the 10 pairs. It's mean more than 3 pairs of the spiracles are present in this body. That's why it is called the polynucleatic respiratory system. As well as and holonucleatic also. Holonucleatic means out of 10 spiracles, all of them functional. All of them functional mean all are functional. That's why it is also called what? Holonucleatic. Holo mean what? Complete, total. Yes, that's why once again about it. What I'm saying here, the respiratory system of cockroach is polynucleatic and holonucleatic. Yes, this is about what the spiracles are stigmata. And now come to the point. I will show on the board. Now see there, what is this spiracle? What is this spiracle? Already I told here out of 10, 2 pairs of spiracles are present in where? The thoracic region. In which especially what? One pair is present in the meso and one pair is present in metathoracic segment. Okay? Mesothorax and metathoracic segments. Now whatever. Now I will be give the explanation about the spiracle. For example, what is this? Spiracle. This is the spiracle. For example, if we take separately the spiracle, which looks like this. Got it? Now see there come to the point about it. When observe this one, this is actually what? The spiracle. Usually, the spiracle is surrounded by a chitinous ring. Is called peritrich. What I am saying here, this is usually spiracle. The spiracle is surrounded by a chitinous ring-like structure is called peritrich. The next one is, but inside the spiracle which possess small hair-like structure are called trichome. What? Trichome. That's it. The next one is the spiracle is usually opens into small chamber is called atrium. For example, now see there what is this? This is actually opens into the small chamber is called what? Atrium. Atrium means small chamber. This is about what? Spiracle. Now come to the point. What is this? Spiracle opens into small chamber which is present in front of it. This is small chamber is called atrium. Got it? This is about what? The spiracle. That's it. Completely. The next one is let us discuss about what? Trachea. Now come to the point. When observe this one, already I have given explanation about it. What is this? Spiracle. Spiracle is surrounded by what? A chitinous ring. Already I told. Then inside which possesses what? Small hair-like structure. Whatever, this is the structure of spiracle. Then which is opens into small chamber is called atrium. Already I told whatever this is about what? The spiracle. Then next there, let us discuss about the next part of the respiratory system, that is what? For example, this is. This is what? The trachea. What is this? Once again, trachea. Yes, now come to the point. The trachea. So, when observe the trachea in respiratory system of cockroach, which all are what? A specific tracheal system. That's when there, when observe the thoracic region of cockroach, in which there several tracheal trunks are present. Now, I will give the explanation about it also. As especially in the thoracic region of cockroach, now several horizontal tracheae arises from the spiracle of thoracic segments, and further which all are fused with each other or joined with each other to form several tracheal trunks, such as what? This is the dorsal cephalic trunk. This is ventral cephalic trunk. Now what I am saying here, this is what? The dorsal cephalic trunk. And this one is what? Ventral cephalic trunk. Get it? What I am saying here, once again come to the point. When observe the thoracic region of the cockroach, in which several mean many more several horizontal tracheae arises from each atrium of spiracle, then which are joined with each other to form several tracheal trunks, like what? Dorsal cephalic trunk and ventral cephalic trunk. This is about what? The thoracic region trachea. As well as, now there when observe the abdomen region also. This is what? Abdomen region. As you know very well. But when observe the abdomen region, what I am seeing here, here also same. How many spiracles are there? 8 spiracles. Yes, 8 spiracles, which all are spiracles. From each spiracle, this is a spiracle, this is a spiracle, this is, whatever, all are spiracles. But from each spiracle, 3 tubes are arised. They are lateral longitudinal tracheae, and this is what? Dorsal longitudinal trunk, and this is what? The ventral longitudinal trunk. Got it? What I am saying here, for example, here it is also what? A spiracle, but it is located in abdomen region of the cockroach. But in which what I'm saying here, three tubes are arranged. For example, one, two, three. In which one is what? A lateral longitudinal tract. And one more is what? This is the dorsal longitudinal tract. And third one is what? Ventral longitudinal tract. These three tubes are arises from each spiracle of abdomen segments. Yes. Now come to the point in which like this, I will show here what this is especially come to the point. This is especially what? Lateral longitudinal tract. This is. Then now come to the point. This is what? This is especially. This one is what? Dorsal longitudinal tract. Next, this is what? This is what? This is what? Ventral longitudinal tract. Got it? Yes. This is about what? The abdomen region. Yes. This is what? Abdomen region of the cockroach. Got it? This is about what I'm saying here. Now come to the point. Yes. This is the common points about the respiratory system. Now let us see about what? Trachea. Usually the trachea is like this. The wall of the trachea is composed of mainly three membranes. Outer membrane is called what? Basement membrane. For example, this is outer membrane. This is called what? Basement membrane. Basement membrane. Then the next one is what? The middle layer is called, this is what? This is middle layer is called epithelium. Epithelium. And innermost layer is called, for example, this is the innermost layer is called intima. Yes. Innermost layer is called what? This is called what? Intima. Yes, whatever, this is intima. Intima, which possess what? Tinnidias. Tinnidia. The function of tinnidia is which is opens the trachea always and prevents from collapsing. Due to presence of tinnidia, what is this? The trachea is always open and prevents from collapsing. Yes, which is keep always open. That is the one function of the trachea. Next function is prevents from collapse. Prevents from collapse the trachea. This is the function of tinnitus. Got it? The next one is what? This is the trachea. Trachea is ends with tracheole cell or tracheoblast. For example, here, what I'm saying here, which is ends with tracheole cell or tracheoblast. Yes, this is actually tracheal cell or tracheal blast. That's it. In which nucleus also present, whatever. Yes, this is about what? The trachea. This is what? Spiracle. This is what? Trachea. This is what? Tracheoblast or tracheal cell. This is tracheal cell or tracheoblast. That's all. The next one is, let us discuss about what? Tracheole. Here spiracle is completed, trachea completed, and now let us discuss about what? The tracheole. Simple. The tracheoles mean the trachea like is there. What? The tracheal cell is extends several branches are called what? Tracheoles. These are what? Tracheoles. Got it? What I am saying here? The tracheal cell which can provide several branches are called, this is called what? Tracheoles. These are what? Tracheoles. Got it? This is actually the tracheoles. Yes, this is actually what? The tracheoles. Got it? Yes. The tracheoles are made up of a protein is called trachin protein, which is made up of a protein is called what? Trachin. Yes, this is the protein. Got it? This is about what? The tracheoles. The next one is, the tracheoles are usually filled with a fluid. Now see there already I given here such kind of diagram, but with there is no fluid. Without fluid the tracheoles, with the fluid tracheoles. That's simple. So whenever the fluid is filled with tracheoles, then the insect is inactive. When insect is active, at the time there is no fluid. It means without filled by the fluid, the tracheoles, the insect is active. If the tracheoles are filled with fluid, then insect is inactive. This is about what? The tracheole and tracheal system. The next one is the one of the most important point here. There is no intima. If there is no intima, which cannot possess tenidia. If there are no tenidia, then what will happen? Which is what? Cannot prevent the collapse. That's why actually the function of tenidia what? Which is keep always open and prevents from collapse. If there are no tenidia, what will happen? It will be closed. Got it? That's very simple. In the tracheoles, in this is actually what? These are the tracheoles. The tracheoles are divide of tenidia. That's all. This is about the what? The respiratory system of cockroach. Got it? Yes. Now once again come to the point. Then it has the mechanism of respiration also. When observe the mechanism of respiration, which is includes mainly two steps. One is inspiration and second one is expiration. I think you know very well about it also. Inspiration and expiration. Now I will give 2 to 3 points about it. Why? Because this is only for IPE. That's why this information is enough for IPE examination. That's it. Inspiration. It's mean what is the meaning of inspiration? Inspiration means intake of air into the body is called inspiration. But especially in the cockroach, inspiration is a passive process. It is a passive process, most important. Why? Because it is opposite to the other animals. The next one is in which Due to relaxation of dorsoventral muscles and ventral longitudinal muscles, what happened? The atmosphere air is drawn into the bodies. Got it? Yes. And the one more thing, during the inspiration, the thoracic spiracles are open and the abdominal spiracles are closed. Got it? Yes. At the same time, now let us see about what inspiration. Oh, sorry, expiration. This is inspiration. But expiration is what release or sending out air from body is called expiration. The expiration process in the cockroach is what? Active process. Active process means with consuming energy, the cockroach is releasing air from body into atmosphere. Then next one is the expiration is occurs due to contraction of dorsoventral muscles and ventral longitudinal muscles. Got it? Then next one is during the expiration, the abdominal spiracles are open and the thoracic spiracles are closed. This is about the mechanism of respiration in cockroach. Got it? So whatever, this is the information about the respiratory system of cockroach. Yes. Then next I am giving some information you. So dear students, if you have any doubts on this topic, you can ask me in comment section. I will give reply to your question and definitely I will clarify your doubts also. And further, me and my team members are providing NEET classes and EBSET classes, but etc. for all competitive examination. Okay, but we need your support. That's why I'm asking you. Please like my videos and if it is useful to your friends and relatives and some other persons, whatever neighbors and whatever, you can share this such kind of videos to your friends and relatives and neighbors. Then finally, my requesting and humble requesting you, please all of you subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.